Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I am going to show you how you can convert a PDF file to speech on iPhone. Because sometimes we do not to read that PDF file but to listen that PDF file on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to your YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, search for accessibility, tap on accessibility. Now in here, search for spoken content, click on this. Now in here, by default, this option is disable, speak screen, enable this option. After enabling this option, what you need to do is open any PDF file on your iPhone. Now in here, drag down your two fingers from the center of the screen.
Page 2 of 1429. Spring Framework Documentation. Version 6.0.0, Chapter 1, Spring Framework Over.
You can also change the speed or whatever, but this is the best feature of iPhone. You do not need any third-party application like PDF Element or TTS PDF Reader. Just enable that option and now you do not need to read your PDF file but to listen it. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Solutions Nerds. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.